Hello, we are going to solve another geometric problem, and here is an image and the description is given as: in the figure the diagonal SE of a square ABCD is 3 root 2. What is the area of the square? So it said that ABCD is a square, so we can assume that each side of the square is A, and since ultimately we have to find the area, we have to find A square. Now the only information that's given is the diagonal AC is given as 3 root 2. So if you remember, the formula of diagonal is A root 2, which is equal to 3 root 2. So easily we can find the value of A to be 3. And since we are looking for area, we can simply square root it and find the answer to be 9. Now in case if you don't remember the formula, you can still solve this problem. Since it's a square, it's a right angle triangle. So here in this triangle we know the diagonal AC, which is 3 root 2. We also assume that each side of the square is equal and is thought to be of as A. So in this right angle triangle, if we apply the law of Pythagorean, we can find that A square plus A square is AC square, which is in this case is 3 root 2 whole square, 9 into 2. So we have 2A square equal to 9 into 2, or A square equal to 9. So by solving this problem in this way also, we can find the area of the square, which is 9. So in this case our answer would be 9. So whichever method you follow, it's okay as long as you come up to the right solution.